So, part 2, the exercise for the eyes. So, hand on the navel, and there's some little points just in underneath the collarbone here. So there's the collarbone. There's some little divots just in underneath there, and in Chinese medicine, they're the kidney 27s. The belly button is central 8, so it's the 8th point on the central meridian, and these are the kidney 27s. So just hold your hand on the belly button and rub these little guys in underneath the collarbone. You do it for about 20 seconds, and you sort of alternate the hands as well. So that helps to integrate the left and right side of the brain. And then in order to get the muscles of the eyes connected, you want to keep your head looking straight ahead, and then look to the left, and then a little bit further, look to the left, and a little bit further, look to the right, a little bit further, look to the right, a little bit further, look straight up, a little bit further, look straight up, a little bit further, look straight down, a little bit further, look straight down, a little bit further. And then you can do the same thing going up left, up right, and down left. So up left, a little bit further, up right, a little bit further, down left, a little bit further, down right, a little bit further. But you want to keep alternating your hands, because the left arm relates to the right brain, the right arm relates to the left brain. So by swapping your hands while you're doing it, you're actually integrating more information from the emotional perspective with these eyes. So when we're looking up left, that is memories from the past with what we've seen. This is in NLP. When we're looking straight to the left, it's memories from the past and what we've heard. When we're looking down left, it's kinesthetic. It's the emotional feeling. It's the feeling area from the past. And then when we're looking up right, it's what we want to see. It's what we want to visualize. When we look out to the right, straight out, that's about what we want to hear in the future. And when we're looking down right, it's what we want to feel in the future, or what we imagine. So if you sort of ask someone, you know, where would you go in the future? If you look to the left somewhere, they're re-visualizing something they've seen. If they look to the right, they're actually visualizing somewhere they've never been before. So, you know, it's just a cool little trip. I think I found that out with Anthony Robbins many, many years ago, the whole NLP, where the eyes go and how you can tell if someone's telling you a fib or not because of where their eyes go. So anyway, that's just a quick little eye tip for the day. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.